If you're still spending the whole afternoon trying to set up ComfyUI and trying to set up the VM where ComfyUI is going to run, then let me tell you that you can do better, and I'm going to show you how. First step will be visiting MassCompute's website where you're going to rent the GPU. And you're not just going to do it manually, but with the MCP. So we click the MCP overview. This is the documentation that you can read, or just skip to the bottom and go into where you can create new API keys. And this API key, you're gonna set it on the command on the terminal that I'm gonna show you. And this command is gonna activate the MCP on your computer, so Claude then can access it, and via there can deploy all the VMs. You can see that it is correctly installed by doing a /mcp, and see that MassCompute is listed and it has all of the tools. This prompt is a runbook that tells Claude basically how to deploy the ComfyUI server on the MassCompute GPU. And we're using an RTX 6000 with 48 gigs of VRAM. That's pretty decent for the kind of models that we're gonna use. The model I'm using in this case is the FLUX schnell. That means the smallest model they have. And then on the second prompt that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using the FP8 version of the FLUX dev model. So when the prompt ends, we get two things: the URL where ComfyUI is running, and also a test image of the workflow. A cute dog, a full working ComfyUI workflow on a GPU deployed in less than 5 minutes. That being said, the workflow is pretty basic. As you can see in the image, it's not as good as it could be, so let's improve it. I'm just gonna add another prompt to Claude and set, go back and improve the model and the workflow that you're using. We can let Claude to decide what kind of model we could use. Consider that Claude already knows all the specs of the GPU. On the UI, you get the workflows that you previously loaded. Here you can just add some new workflows or just start playing with the parameters. If you want to access the UI on the browser, not the VM's browser, but yours, you can ask Claude to open up the port and let you access from your browser. Remember that all the prompts that I'm using on the video, I'm gonna leave them at the description. This is the end of the video. I hope you really like it. If you have any questions or ideas that you want me to try next, then you can leave a comment. And that'll be it. See you next time.